In this video I will show you how to deposit money via Gcash in your Binance account using your desktop or laptop. Open first your Binance, click on Buy Crypto, then select P2P Trading. Make sure it's pesos, then select Gcash. Look for transaction which have 100% completion to avoid scammer. Enter the desired amount you would like to purchase. Then hit Buy USDT. Got some error, but don't worry, it's manageable, just click refresh. Chat first with the seller to check if online. Wait until you receive a reply. Then proceed paying your order using your Gcash. Make sure you capture the correct number. I got it correctly, so I am going to send it. Inform seller that you successfully made a payment. Click the transferred and notify seller and wait until it will be available with your funding wallet. It's already available on your funding wallet, just click View Balance. You can see it is showing now. All you have to do is to transfer it to fiat and spot. That's it. Thank you for watching.